So this is a pile I made last year. I cut down some trees along here that were all gonna fall into the right of way here and cut them up for firewood. At the time I had the neighbor's permission and I cleaned out this trail here as well, as he had said that I could go and cut firewood and whatnot back there. And then I guess his wife didn't like the trails I was making because she's apparently kind of a flake or an idiot. So I had made little brush piles. I was going to burn them all once I got to this time of year kind of thing. So I can't go back there anymore because, like I said, she's an idiot and he's just an old man that doesn't want to deal with anything. And so I just want to get rid of this brush pile because it's kind of a government right away here. So I just put it here because I didn't really have much room in the bush at the time, and I didn't want to carry all the sticks and everything from the treetops all that far. So after a lot of farting around, I finally got it to burn. It's snowing, as you can see. It's snowing pretty hard, and well, not real hard, but I mean the temperature is near freezing, and the snow is kind of the wet, heavy stuff, so it creates pretty high humidity. So it took a lot of propane and a bit of the leaf blower and some mixture of gasoline, diesel fuel, and used motor oil to get it going. But finally, after several attempts, I got it going today. So just trying to get it to dry out in the middle there. So I don't really like burning this stuff at any other time of year because potential for wildfire is too great, and this is usually long grass. But finally our idiotic government went and decided to mow all of this year. So we were going to actually do a back burn with my prescribed burn association, but yeah, they finally burned it. We'll probably still use it as a training opportunity next year. So anyway, I got this roaring finally. Took a while to get it going. So I hope I can get rid of the bulk of it. It's going to be kind of tough because of the humidity. But after some of the storm moves through, then we're supposed to get some colder, drier weather, and I don't know, I'm hoping it still keeps going then, if it isn't already all gone. So it kind of flares up a little bit here and there, but I might have to come here with the tractor with one of the buckets, or maybe even the pellet forks, and just shove it all together. So yeah, I'll see how much energy I want to put into it. Yeah, that'll just shove it into the trail there. That's the other thing I could do if the snow isn't too deep. So I kind of wish I had a TD6 or a D3 or something like that, or even a 931 track loader. It'd be easier. I just drive right through the ditch there and climb up and just push it all in. But oh well, use what you got, right?